Hello, my name is Dean Simpson, and today I will be talking about astronomy and mathematics, and I will be going into the science, technology, engineering, and maths of astronomy, as well as real-life examples of these individual topics, as well as going on the impact of the environment, problem-solving techniques, and how, if astronomy didn't exist, it would impact the modern life. First of all, I'm going to talk to you about how astronomy relates to mathematics. Astronomy is the study of the sun, planets, stars, galaxies, comets, and asteroids and various other celestial bodies. It can be broken up into two distinct areas: observational astronomy and theoretical astronomy. Observational astronomy focuses on studying directly the celestial bodies like the sun, the stars, and planets, while theoretical astronomy focuses on how the bodies actually came into existence. The earliest astronomers, such as Ptolemy, Aristotle, Copernicus, and Galileo, made significant discoveries for the field. They discovered the Earth had its own moon and the rough distance to the moon. They discovered that we orbited the sun at the same rate each year, which gave us a year, and they gave us early versions of today's telescopes. It was the geometricizing of the natural circular orbit of all planets in the solar system around the sun that first gave geometric principles to astronomy. Next, I will go on to how mathematics is actually used in astronomy and how it relates to the real world. Maths is used in astronomy through the categories of measurement, and these measurement factors are things such as speed, distance, velocity, momentum, and direction of various things in space. And other forms of maths are things such as very large numbers, larger than standard numbers, and this goes into scientific notation as well as ratios. How these mathematical principles are used in the real world is through places like NASA and astronauts calculating how long it takes to travel to the moon and how much fuel would be needed to do such a thing. Also, with the sunlight and the sun rays and the speed of light, the sunset and sunrise times can be calculated due to the sunlight taking 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. How STEM, or science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, is used in astronomy and the real world is demonstrated in this mind map. But further on, in science, real world examples of science in astronomy is through discovery of new planets, especially the planet named Kepler 186f, found by NASA, which is an Earth-like planet having the possibility to pool water on the surface. Technology and engineering share the same with the introduction of the Mars rover and its ability to be able to function on Mars and send video back to Earth, as well as the clever shuttle transport system which allows for perfect landing due to sensors which tell where safe and unsafe zones are. And in mathematics, real-world examples are measuring things such as distance and surface area and mass of planets. The next topic is how astronomy impacts the environment. Astronomy's impact on the environment is through weather predictions and temperatures. Due to the Earth's seasons, the sun is in the sky for different lengths of time depending on the season, which causes temperature flux. This is because the Earth is tilted, which means some parts of the Earth are closer to the sun than the others, giving us summer and winter. Another possible impact on the environment is through meteor attacks. These can cause massive damage if they hit a populated area, and astronomers can help avoid this by detecting the size and speed and direction of incoming meteors and meteorites and help clear the possible dangerous area. Problem-solving techniques used in astronomy evolve around dealing with finding the massive unknowns. These unknowns vary from distance from our planet to others, the mass of a planet, and planet and moon surface areas. If astronomy didn't exist today, what would its impact have been on modern life? The impact of astronomy on modern day life is large, and it is still growing. Today, more and more is known about the stars than ever before, and new things are being found out every day. Furthermore, on this topic, in 2015, the NASA telescope Kepler found another planet which is similar to Earth. This planet is in the Sun's habitable zone, which is the same as our Earth. This planet is called Kepler 186f, and it is roughly located 500 light years away. Although the mass of this planet isn't known yet, and the size of the planet is yet to be calculated, it is similar conditions to Earth. So thank you for listening to my presentation about maths and astronomy. I hope you've learnt more about the science and technology, engineering and mathematics that are involved in astronomy, as well as how far we've come from the early astronomers to where we are today. Thank you for listening.